Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making Middle Eastern red lentil bread. Now, as many of you know, previously in the year, I took a little culinary escapade to the Middle East, and my sissy beans kind of stepped in and did our videos. So this dish is inspired by my recent trip to Syria. Red lentils are a member of the pea family, actually, and are a legume. Now, this recipe is not for you camping minimalists, as we use a kitchen sink and are using a blender. However, it is sweet and delicious and so savory. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, we do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and our cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie Beans, is available on Amazon. We'd love you to smooshy the like button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am ready to make this Middle Eastern red lentil bread. Let's get cooking.